Can we climb a rope to space? Let's explore. What if a massive rope could connect Earth to space? Could we climb it instead of using rockets? Spoiler alert. Nope. Let's see why this idea snaps faster than a stretched rubber band. Problem 1. Earth's spin. Next, the Earth spins at 1,600 kilometers per hour, and space moves even faster. A stationary rope, it'd twist, tangle, and turn into a cosmic jump rope. You wouldn't climb it, you'd be catapulted into the stratosphere. Problem 2. Gravity's weight test. First up, gravity. A rope stretching hundreds of kilometers would weigh a lot. Even the strongest materials we know wouldn't survive the pull of gravity. They collapse under their own weight, like trying to hold a waterfall with a fishing net. Problem 3. Winds. And don't forget the atmosphere. At lower altitudes, winds would whip the rope around like a flailing fire hose. Imagine climbing a rope that's trying to slap you off at every step. Yeah, not great. So, can we climb a rope to space? Nope. Gravity, Earth's spin, and wind all gang up to make it impossible. For now, our dreams of scaling space are just that, dreams. But hey, who knows what the future holds? Friends, there's a place on the world map where no one likes to go. It's called Point Nemo. But the question is, why don't people go there? The answer lies in its dangerous maritime conditions. This part of the South Pacific Ocean is approximately 2,688 kilometers away from any landmass. Reaching it requires navigating rough seas and strong currents. There are no islands, no habitable places, and no resources here to attract humans. The waters are extremely isolated, with very little life. Scientists even refer to this area as an ocean desert. Interestingly, satellites and space debris, when their purpose is over, are dropped into the ocean at this location. For this reason, it's known as the graveyard of space junk. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.